welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have to help with the deal. And if you need a copy of all the deals I have in this video, check the description box for a link to the Google Doc, and I hope that helps you out while you're at the store. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with a spend 10 get 5 back on participating Arm & Hammer toothpaste. They are on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up one price at $8.29 and another one price at $5.49. And when you have a buy one get one half off, the cheaper price one will be the half off. And the new price for that toothpaste will be $2.75. These two will total $11.04. Pay the $11.04 and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them $3.04 or $1.52 each. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl and L'Oreal Cosmetics. The lip products are on sale for buy one get one half off and they are not giving back any extra care box. Pick up one L'Oreal lipstick priced at $10.39 and one CoverGirl liquid lipstick priced at $11.99. These two items are on sale for buy one get one half off. That means the L'Oreal lipstick, which is cheaper, will be the half off and the new price will be $5.20. These two will total $17.19. Use a 3 off 2 extra care coupon and you pay for $10.19. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back on the CoverGirl and $2 back on the L'Oreal lipstick. That will end up making them $8.19 or $4.10 each. If you like the LA Color High Shine Gloss Sticks, they are on clearance for 62 cents and the face primers are on clearance for $1.25. My next deal is on the Always Radiant pads. They are part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up one 29 count Always pad priced at $13.19 and one 14 count Always pad priced at $7.19. These two will total $20.38. Use a 3 off 2 Always coupon from Coupon24 app. You pay $17.38, get 5 back, making them $12.38 or $6.19 each. The next feminine care deal I have is on You by Kotex. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 tampons priced at $6.49. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.25. These two will total $9.74. Use $1 off You by Kotex digital coupon and you pay $8.74. Get 2 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pack. That will make them $4.74 or $3.37 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Bud facial care. Pick up 2 face masks priced at $3.89 each. Both will total $7.78. Pay the $7.78 and you get 4 back, making them $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal I have is on Garnier facial care. They are on sale for buy one get one half off and they are part of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 2 Garnier foaming gel cleanser priced at $10.49 and with the buy one get one half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $5.25. The two will total $15.74. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $12.74, get 6 back, making them $6.74 or $3.37 each. If you don't want to pick up the Garnier deal and you prefer the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, they are part of the buy 2 get 6 back and they are priced at $7.79. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.58. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 6 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. Dove hand wash is on sale for buy one get one half off and when you buy 2, you get 4 back. Pick up 2 price at $6.19 and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.10. These two will total $9.29. Pay the $9.29 and you get 4 back, making them $5.29 or $2.65 each. Raw sugar hand soap are on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 price at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is on Dial hand soap. They are on sale for 2 for $5, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 Pay $5, then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 2. That will make them $4.50 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back, and Banana Boat Sun Care is part of this deal. Pick up 1 Banana Boat sunscreen lotion priced at $12.79 and 1 Banana Boat After Sun Care priced at $8.29. 2 will total $21.08. Use a 4 off 2 Banana Boat digital coupon, and I also have a 4 off 2 Sun Care CRT from CVS text message, and this CRT will expire on Sunday. If you have it, you can use it with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $8, and you pay $13.08, get 10 back, making them $3.08 or $1.54 each. The next deal I have is on Gillette Shave Foam. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 price at $3.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.90. The 2 will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 4 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. If you prefer the gel, they are priced at $5.29. Pick up 2. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. Both will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and you get 4 back, making them $3.94 or $1.97 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Nivea body wash. This deal is a limit of 1, but I have 2 options. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. The 2 will total $13.98. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $11.98, get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $9.98, get 5 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The 3-pack Iris Spring Bar Soap is on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back, and is priced at $4.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and you get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you did not use your Axe coupon last week, it's still valid this week, and the deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Axe body wash. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58, get 4 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is on Aussie Hair Care. It's part of buy 2 get 4 back, and I think the better way to do this deal is to pick up 3 Aussie Hair Care priced at $5.99 each. The 3 will total $17.97. We have a 6 off 3 digital coupon. That's why I said pick 3. And the coupon is more than the price of 1. After the $6 come off, you will pay $11.97, get 4 back, making them $7.97 or $2.66 each. Garnier Fruity shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $4.49, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and the 2 will total $8.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 3 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Whole blend shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $7 and get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Dove Hair Care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Next deal I have is spend 25 get 5 back. Pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49, 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99, and 1 Febreze Vent Air Freshener on sale for $6.49. These 3 will total $25.97. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, $2 off Dawn coupon from Coupon 24 app, a $3 off Febreze coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $8 and you pay $17.97, get 5 back, making them $12.97 or $4.32 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on all free and clear products. Pick up 2 all detergents on sale for $5.29. If you can find a mighty pack, add 1 instead of picking up 2 detergents. But since my store don't have that, I'll explain this deal with the detergents. These 2 will total $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. My next deal is on the 34-ounce Special detergents. They are on sale for $5.99 and when you buy 2, you get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, limit of 1, and that will make them $7.48 or $3.74 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back on Kleenex or Cottonelle products. Pick up 4 2-pack Cottonelle wipes, sell for $4.99 each. The 4 packs will total $19.96, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Pay the $19.96 and you get 5 back, making them $14.96 or $3.74 each. Another option for this deal is to pick up 10 Kleenex box tissues on sale for 2 for $4. The 10 boxes will total $20. Pay $20 and you get 5 back, making them $15 or $1.50 each. The 28-ounce Palmolive pump dish soap is on sale for $3.99, no extra care box back. If you need it, you can pick up 1. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 3 back on participating Airwick products. Pick up 1 Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99 and 1 Airwick advanced plug-in warmer on sale for $3.99. These 2 will total $15.98. Use a $6 off Airwick starter kit digital coupon and you pay $9.98, get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. My next deal is on Miss Myers multi-surface cleaner. It's on sale for 2 for $10 and it's part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2, pay $10 and you get 2 back. I will make both products $8 or $4 each. My next deal is on Method hand wash. It's on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $8 and you get 2 back, making them $6 or $3 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time.